Welcome. Today we're diving into the Agile Manifesto. This is a foundational document that shapes how many modern software development teams operate. We will take a deep dive into the 4 values and 12 principles. Here are the 4 core values of Agile. Value number 1: individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Value number 2: working software over comprehensive documentation. Value number 3: customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Value number 4: responding to change over following a plan. These values are not to say that the items on the right are not important, but Agile values the items on the left more. Let's explore the first value of the Agile Manifesto: individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Several key principles support this value. First, build projects around motivated individuals. Second, face-to-face conversation is the most efficient method of communication. Third, self-organizing teams generate the best architectures and designs. Fourth, regular reflection on team effectiveness. Some practical applications of this value includes daily stand-up meetings that foster communication, pair programming that enhances knowledge sharing, and retrospectives that improve team dynamics. For example, here's a simple structure for pair programming. First, assign a driver and navigator. Second, set a time box of 25 minutes. Third, switch roles. Finally, debrief. Let's delve into the second and third values of the Agile Manifesto, starting with working software over comprehensive documentation. Key points include delivering working software frequently, understanding that working software is the primary measure of progress, recognizing that technical excellence enhances agility, and emphasizing that simplicity is essential. As an example, consider this simplified continuous integration pipeline with stages for build, test, and deploy. Now, let's look at customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Key points include business people and developers working together daily, welcoming changing requirements even late in development, frequently delivering valuable software, and maintaining a sustainable development pace. For example, here is a user story template. As a user, I want goals so that benefit or value. There can be acceptance criteria like Criterion 1 and Criterion 2. Now let's examine the fourth value: responding to change over following a plan. Some key principles include welcoming changing requirements, even late in development, understanding that Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage, adapting to changing circumstances, and regularly reflecting and adjusting. Here's an example of a flexible sprint planning function that identifies high-value items, limits work in progress, allows for emerging work, and includes a review and adapt step. In a traditional approach, the scope is fixed and resists changes. But in Agile, the scope is flexible and embraces changes. Now let's discuss the 12 principles of Agile. Principle number 1: customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Principle number 2: welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Principle number 3: deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter timescale. Principle number 4: business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Principle number 5: build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. Principle number 6: the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. These principles guide the implementation of Agile methodologies in practice. Let's continue with the remaining 6 principles. Principle number 7: working software is the primary measure of progress. Principle number 8: Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Principle number 9: Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Principle number 10. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. Principle number 11. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. Principle number 12. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. In conclusion, the Agile Manifesto's values and principles provide a foundation for adaptive, customer-focused software development that embraces change and delivers value continuously. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.